Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the shop. I just wanted to go over one of the newest things that I got off eBay. It's going to be in a Kyosho Big Brute. So a little bit more in detail. I've had one of these back when I was a kid. This is one of my first nitro vehicles I had. This is being electric. So I saw this on eBay and I thought, you know what the heck, I'd like to have another and go from there. So this is one of the originals, of course. I do have another one over here, Big Brute as well. So this one is cleaned up a little better, has newer electronics. This has the older speed control, stuff like that. I'll go over that in a second. But I wanted a second one, so when Lisa and I go to the beach, we can have matching vehicles, like I do the Clodbusters and a couple other vehicles that we have. All right, so put that back, grab myself a drink. Let's get over it. So it comes with this body, kind of an odd paint job with the roof and the windows being clear. It does come with the proper mirrors, which look like they got broken off in shipping, but I'm going to be able to glue that back. It comes with the front bumper with the headlights intact, which sorry, the headlight stickers are there, and so are the buckets in behind. So the excuse me, the glass lenses are in there as well. It comes with your side bars, your back bar, and pretty much everything is complete except for the roll bar itself. I will be picking up another one of these on eBay a little later on. I just need to see what everything I need on this a truck before I go ahead and purchase that. So the body's in really rough shape, but I'm not really too worried about that. Let's get on to the rest of it. So here is the Big Brute itself. It actually comes with a manual speed control. I hope you can see that okay. It also came with a, excuse me, so Magnum a Magnum Junior by Futaba. This radio is in pretty rough shape. From the ad, it says it does work, so who knows? I might keep that. Most likely not. Last thing I want is interference at the beach or something like that, and this just goes flying into the water. But that is something that it came with. Going over it, it does have a broken battery tray. Actually, not so much of a battery tray, just a battery holder. So this one is broken on this side. Looking underneath, this is actually in really nice shape. These tires and wheels, they're very, very hard to come by. They have slight cracks, but they're in really good shape for what it is. Front bumper is also in good shape, but just needs to be adjusted and sit on correctly. All the suspension, everything works, nothing looks bent. It actually has the proper motor cover, which is nice. Again, I'm not sure if you can see that. The camera's way over there and I'm over here. So it even comes with the door up top, so you can, or the window up top, so you can actually see what's going on inside. And yeah, so let's quickly open this up and let's see what it looks like inside. Pretty excited about this. My other one wasn't quite in this good a condition, but I probably put about 10 hours in, 10 to 12 hours in it, just kind of seeing, fixing it up, seeing what I can do with it, and it works really, really well. This is another one. I'll have to pull it all apart so I can see what's going on with it. With my other one, it actually came with a new clear body and stickers. So I'm not too worried about this body because I got a brand new one that I can actually open up and paint up like the original and put the decals on. That being said, the original comes in yellow. I don't know if I really like the yellow, so I might not be doing box art on this, but we'll see what goes on. I'm almost there. I just have one screw left. Nope, that was the last one. Wow. Oh my, this is intact. Take a look at that. Big old receiver. Uses the manual speed control here, which is in really, really good shape. The resistor is cracked, or whatever you want to call that. It is cracked, so it's not going to work properly anyway. Again, I'm probably not going to use this, but it's just neat to see everything's dialed in and ready to go. This actually comes with the original servo saver and everything, which is nice. I had to modify that on mine, so it is not original on that. So this is going to be probably become the most original one that I have. And yeah, I'm looking forward to digging in and getting this looking better. I'll try to keep you guys updated. The drive shafts and everything look pretty good too. Like I said, the suspension is nice. I'm going to throw the body on. Actually, let's just do this quickly. See how the body looks from that one to this one. Look at that. Love these tires. They actually say Bridgestone on it. The ones I put on here are from AliExpress. They work quite well, but I'll get into a different detail with this one later on. So yeah, so I think she's going to be a mad machine. It'll be nice, again, having two and going from there. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I'm looking forward to digging into this and getting a running video for you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.